Now, I've been following the rapidly expanding ultra-short throw laser projectors market for a couple of years, and luckily for us, the consumers, there have been plenty of really good models released recently. One of the best is the AWOL Vision Triple Laser LTV-3500, which we'll unbox, review and test in today's video. So, the LTV-3500 packs some awesome features. The highlight is the advanced triple laser optical system that eliminates the need for a traditional color wheel. This technology ensures more color accuracy, reduced noise and no visible rainbow effect. The input lag is also very low at 30 milliseconds, so the LTV-3500 is a great choice for gaming as well. And now guys, after this brief introduction, let's proceed to the actual unboxing. If you purchase the AWOL Vision LTV-3500, it will arrive in this retail box. It's quite beefy and everything is packed nice and tight. Inside we find the 1-year extended warranty, a high-quality microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get the latest Amazon Fire 4K TV stick, which is a really nice addition. Here are our active 3D glasses, and in a separate plastic bag we have the power cord, a USB stick with sample 3D clips, detailed user menu, a remote control, batteries for the remote, and AV input cable. And underneath the accessories compartment, nicely protected in this foam packaging, we have the laser projector itself. Removing this protective cover reveals the projector, which looks absolutely amazing. I'm just in love with the overall look of the LTV-3500. On the left side we have huge heat dissipation vents. Continuing to the front side we have that gold line running along, surrounded by glossy black and matte grey on the top and bottom of the projector. On the right side there are some more cooling vents and a USB port. On the top there's the touch power button, 2 proximity sensors for eye protection, the lens itself and a laser block sensor just above it. On the back we find the rest of the ports. From left to right, an optical audio port, micro USB service port, USB, a LAN port, AV in port, 2 HDMI ports and the power port. Continuing to the right we have the patented TV stick compartment and another cooling vent. On the bottom side there are the 4 mounting holes and 4 adjustable rubber feet. So guys, let's turn on the projector. The setting up process is extremely simple and it's a matter of connecting the power cord and physically adjusting the projector. You can use the touch-sensitive power button on the projector or the remote control. The remote is made from plastic, it feels solid and sturdy and is finished in this really nice metallic color. We have all the basic controls and some extra convenient shortcut buttons for source selection, file management, screen mirror and image settings. And right away we see how bright and vivid the picture is. At 3500 lumens, that's definitely among the top brightest projectors that I've seen. If you witness it in person, the quality is even more stunning. But first, let's check out the main menu. We are greeted by this simple and intuitive home screen menu. We have access to all the apps, file management, screen share and all the settings. Below there are the source selection tabs. The LTV-3500 uses a custom version of Android 9 operating system. It's very snappy and responsive and I never had any issues. We have a quad-core processor on board with 3 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. So let's check out some of the more important image settings. First, there are 4 basic image modes: Standard, Vivid, Sport, Movie, Game and User. If you go to advanced settings, there are tons of more options, including MEMC, Low Delay Mode, Noise Reduction, Dynamic Contrast, Gamma, Color Temperature, White Balance, Color Correction, HDR and more. As you can see, there's plenty of image customization options and modes, and you'll be able to completely shape your desired image parameters. Under this sound tab, you'll find more sound modes and features. And now guys, let's focus on the image quality. First, the LTV-3500 definitely delivers the promised rich and bright picture. As I mentioned, the brightness level is at 3500 lumens, and this projector manages to overcome a greater degree of ambient light versus much of its competition, thus maintaining high brightness levels without compromising other aspects of the picture quality. A really handy feature that we'll test in just a minute is the low delay mode, which feels absolutely amazing. Aside from HDR10 and HOG support, we have HDR10 Plus Standard, which ensures every frame has its own set of colors, brightness and contrast, composing a much more realistic and lifelike image. Thanks to the MEMC feature, action movies, sports and video games feel really smooth, and it's a real joy to watch and play on this projector. And guys, you know what we do on our channel, we test video games. So let's switch over to GTA 5 and FIFA 23 to test the LTV-3500's overall picture quality and responsiveness.
Hey, don't make me commit what they said, man.
It's the motherfucking drama.
It should be fantastic, Stuart.
Well, it should be a classic, Derek. We have some great players on view here today, on both sides, and the rivalry just makes it that little bit more special.
It might well be a game to savour. Manchester United kick off. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson begins in goal. Kyle Walker plays with Joao Cancelo in the fullback positions. Bernardo Silva plays with Phil Foden out wide. And the main threat in attack today should be Erling Haaland. And Bernardo Silva has it. The attack carried promise, but petered out. Out wide and handed a solo role in attack is Marcus Rashford.
Oh, can he finish it here, Derek? Well, here it is again, and the keeper's lost his concentration here. He's totally in the wrong position. He'll be disappointed with that.
And overall guys, I'm really impressed by the performance and image quality of the AWOL Vision LTV-3500. It offers unmatched brightness levels, sharpness and rich dark tones. It's also a great upgrade over any TV for gaming. You can also check out the LTV-3500 projector. It's cheaper, packs the same features, but has a lower peak brightness of 2500 lumens. If you like the products, you can use my discount codes to get 5% off. Links to the AWOL Vision store will be in the video description. As always, thank you all for watching and see you guys in the next video.